Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In one fell swoop, BMW Motorrad has introduced the updated 𝗙𝗹𝗹𝗶 and the all-new M1000XR. Starting with the mainstream variant, the 2024 BMW 𝗙1000XR is billed as an enhanced version of their long-distance sports bike. The big news is an improved four-cylinder engine that produces 170 horsepower, 127 kilowatts, 172 PS, and 84 lb-ft, 114 Newton-meters of torque. That's 5 horsepower, 4 kilowatts, 5 PS. More than its predecessor, and BMW chalked the increase up to better engine mapping, as well as the flow-optimized geometry of the intake runners. The updates extend beyond the engine as the bike has a new seat for improved ergonomics and more freedom of movement. Buyers will also find additional standard equipment including Headlight Pro, keyless ride, and a USB charging port. On the styling front, there are additional body color components, newly textured radiator trim, and a revised rear section with new side panels and air intakes inspired by motorsports. Customers will also find 3 new colors including Blackstorm Metallic 2 and Gravity Blue Metallic. Last but not least, there's a larger capacity battery and a redesigned handlebar clamp. The model also has a new shock absorber that promises to deliver a more sensitive and comfortable ride. The 𝗙1000XR is slated to arrive in the United States in the second quarter of 2024, and pricing will begin at $17,495. While the updates to the 𝗙1000XR are welcome, there's an all-new M variant for 2024. It's the third M bike and was previewed by a prototype earlier this year. Starting with the engine, the M1000XR uses an adapted version of the four-cylinder that powers the MRR. Here, it produces a slightly tamer output of 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, 204 PS, and 83 lb-ft, 112 Newton-meters of torque. It revs to 14,600 RPM and features titanium valves as well as BMW 𝗙ście𝗹𝗹𝗶 technology. The engine is paired to a 6-speed transmission, and BMW noted the model can hit 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour, in 7.4 seconds, which is 1.3 seconds faster than the 𝗙1000XR. The bike is also 1.1 seconds faster from 62 to 87 miles per hour, 100 to 140 kilometers per hour. Speaking of performance, the bike has 7 drive modes, launch control, and Shift Assistant Pro for fast upshifts and downshifts without clutch activation. There's also Hill Start Control Pro, which makes the bike far more user-friendly. Other highlights include a dynamic damping control suspension, and an M braking system that has 2 12.6-inch, 320mm discs up front. Buyers will also find a lightweight M battery and forged aluminum wheels. M carbon wheels are available as an option, and they're 3.3 lb, 1.5 kilograms, lighter. On the styling front, the bike certainly looks the part as it features M winglets that provide around 25 lbs, 11.3 kilograms, of downforce at 137 miles per hour, 220 kilometers per hour. They're joined by an M seat and a titanium exhaust with a carbon fiber cap. Other highlights include a 6.5-inch display and an OBD interface for an M GPS data logger. The M1000XR is slated to arrive in the second quarter of 2024, and pricing will start at $24,295. How do you like BMW 𝗙1000XR? Write your opinion in the comments, as well as like and subscribe to the channel, so as not to miss the latest news from the world of cars.